My wife goes, no, 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 no. I mean, like, I get it. No, I don't get it, man. It's 150 miles one way, right? Yeah. I'll lock it up. And then, 150 ain't bad. Hey, going four-wheeling. Don't do it, don't do it. I know, it's very tempting. To do what? To spin the tires, baby. Isn't that weird? So doing something inherently dangerous and you want to even make it even more dangerous. What's up with that? It's just a look, it keeps you young, man. We'll take the back road. I was gonna go off the step. Maybe I should. We're in the dirt. Clutch control. Too much fun, isn't it? And through the woods. Through the door. It's like the exact width of my bars. Yeah, right here. I gotta do the clutch. Make another video about that. Alright, let's see how that went. And off you go. And off you go. Uh-oh, look. Alright, well, just a quick ride around the block. If you liked the video, just hit a like. And if you like to see some more of this kind of stuff, subscribe so you get to know when I put one up. Alright guys, have a good one. Talk to you later.